Here I have VIVO Y36, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. So firstly you should go to settings, then you should go to the shortcuts and accessibility, then go to the accessibility, and here you can find Talkback. So here you can enable it, and after that Talkback tutorial starts.
Talkback on. Talkback. Welcome to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. You can turn Talkback on or off by holding both volume keys for several seconds. When Talkback is on, the focused item on the screen is spoken out loud. Swiping right will move to the next item, and swiping left will move to the previous item. Swipe right now to find.
Okay, so as you could hear, this mode is made mostly for people with blindness or some other vision problems, and it works the way that it speaks out loud contents on the screen. So to operate in this mode, you just tap on any like button or like banner or sign.
Close button. Double tap to activate.
And this action gets spoken out loud. If this is like a button or some like switcher, it says like double tap to activate. So to activate it, you just double tap anywhere on the screen.
Close tutorial.
Close.
Close.
Double tap.
Talkback.
So if you want to disable Talkback,
Use
tap on switch,
on.
double tap,
Stop.
stop, and that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.